EduFam.
Who's that swinging from a tree so high? It's the monkey with a twinkle in his eye. He jumps, he flips, he claps his hands, dancing like a star in jungle lands. Ooh, 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 ah, ah, I'm wild and free. Blur, monkey, cow, whale, and zebra too. And don't forget the wolf that goes ah-woo. Each one special, come along and see a world of animals just like you and me. Who's that mowing with the big brown bell? It's the friendly cow and she's doing well. She chews all day in the grassy sun. Moo, 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 life's so fun. Moo, 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 come play with me. Lure, monkey, cow, whale, and zebra too. And don't forget the wolf that goes ah-woo. Each one special, come along and see a world of animals just like you and me. Deep in the ocean, where the waters swirl, lives a giant whale doing flips and twirls, singing loud with a bubbly tune, splashing water with a great big boom. Whale says woo, I sing the sea. Who's that trotting with stripes so fine? It's the zebra looking mighty divine, black and white with the fancy prance. She loves to jump and do a dance. Nay, 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 look at me. And in the forest, when the moon is bright, a wolf howls loud in the silver night. Brave and smart with a cozy pack, he leads the way and never looks back. Ow-hoo, ow-woo, ow-woo, I'm wild and free.
Hey guys, do you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Subscribe. Search for EduFam and YouTube.
Thank you for watching.